Hello everyone, welcome to BIMModel.com. This is the video where it's an interesting video where we compare the AutoCAD commands and Revit, both the tools side by side. I hope you know AutoCAD and Revit, but I just wanted to clarify that a small thing, two commands that I'm going to explain you. The one command which is everybody's known command, trim and extend. In AutoCAD, you have the trim and extend, which is here, or TR is the shortcut that we have. TR you can press and you can just one enter or two enter. Then you can see that highlights that you can do double tick and you can see that it deletes the element that it's intersecting with the other element. So only thing that you have to remember in AutoCAD, you have to click on the element that you don't need it. So you have to click once, it automatically deletes that element like this. So if you miss the command, you can go ahead and press the enter key or space key. Space key is most convenient tool that we have. So you can press the space and you can have the same command. This is the second command that I wanted to explain you. In Revit, it's a similar thing. Both of Autodesk products, you can have a trim and extend command, which is TR again here. You don't have to press the TR and you don't have to give the enter. You just press the TR, automatically commands picks up and you can select the element that you needed. In AutoCAD, it's the opposite way. You have to click on the element that you don't need it, but in Revit, you have to select the element that you needed. I need this element side and this element side. You have to click 2 times to delete a single line, and you can see that 2 lines deletes automatically. I need this side and this side. So in the same way, if you miss the command, you have to press the enter key to take up the last command. You can press enter and you can take up the last command that you took. So whatever the command that it could be, or you can right click and repeat the model line that we have taken earlier. So this way in Revit, you can use the Revit and repetitive commands, you can do it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do let me know if you have any other questions related to Revit. We are continuously making daily videos about Revit and other CAD tools. Do let me know in the comment and share it with your learning friends, which helps us to grow as well. Thank you so much and see you on the next tutorial. Until then, Rajkumar, BIM Modeler.